So first you have to open your web browser. Here I am using Microsoft Edge. You can use any other web browser like Chrome or Firefox. So the website which we are using to create the presentation, it is Wipik, WIPIK. It is a free website till now. You can download the presentation. In the future, I don't know, it can be paid. You have to click on the first link, wipik.com. Here you can see the web page has been opened. Here you have to scroll down and you will get the option new AI presentation maker. You have to click on it, and now you have to click on get started button. So it is 100% free now. So here you have to select a topic for your presentation. For example, I am selecting transport, and you have to select the writing tone. So here I am selecting creative. Language you can select. Here are different languages. I am selecting here English. And now you can also select a template. So the template, I am selecting a default template, simple, and you have to click on the generate presentation button. After this, it will take 5 to 10 seconds to make your presentation, and your presentation will be ready. Now you can see that the presentation has been created. Here you can see the presentation quality. Here there is an image, and here you can see riding the waves. So now I am going to tell you that how to download the presentation. So first you have to click on the download button. Here you can see different option. You have to click select PDF and click on download. Now here you can see that it is downloading. So after some time, here you can see the click here button. You have to click on that button, and now you can save this file into your computer. So you have to click on save as button, and now you have to rename the file and save it into your computer. Thanks for watching today's video.